This is the Devour by Gerber. Backpackers are concerned with weight, functionality, and versatility. That's why we designed the Devour to be an all-in-one meal prep, cook, eat, and clean tool. Functions include long tine fork, deep basin spoon, and flat edges on the side for cutting and scraping. Anybody that's been camping understands that oftentimes you're dealing with less than sanitary conditions. We've designed in a kickstand feature. It also hooks to the rim of a pot or pan to keep it from sliding into your meal. Attached to the back of the Devour is a 6-function multi-tool that includes serrated package opener, can opener, a bottle opener, a pry bar, small flathead driver, and large flathead driver. And lastly, the Devour's anodized aluminum and stainless steel construction altogether weighs less than an ounce. The Devour is available in silver, onyx, flat sage, and burnt bronze. All told, the Devour multi-fork features 9 functions in a compact, lightweight package.
This is the Spork. It's a spoon, fork and a knife, and the design is Joachim Nordvall. And did you know that the Spork is actually applied art, so you eat with a piece of art. It's BPA free, made of Triton, and you can have it in the dishwasher without problem. It stands 101 degrees and -40, and it's very long lasting. And we have a Spork in 4 different sizes. This is the original, the one you have in the meal kit. Then we have the extra medium. This is slightly bigger, that's 20 centimeter. The original is 17. This is very good when you eat from freeze-dried pouches, because then your hands won't be dirty. It's a bit longer. We have the large. This is for serving or salad, or if you're really, really hungry. Then we have the Spork Little for small mouths, or if you eat a dessert, yogurt, ice cream, or in your coffee. We also have a Spork in titanium. This is very tough. You can't break it. 70 centimeter as the original. And of course we have loads of colors. We love colors.
Well, today I want to tell you about the ChowPal. It's the new Mealtime multi-tool by Outdoor Edge. The unique thing about the ChowPal, it's all stainless steel construction, and it incorporates a razor-sharp stainless steel knife blade. There's a lot of eating utensils out there, they really don't come with an effective knife. So here you have a nice razor sharp knife, effective cutting tool. The blade has a secure lock. I'm going to go ahead and lock the blade. Now it's all put together. What I'm going to do, pull it apart. Now I have a fully functional knife and fork, and I'm ready to eat. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to cut my sausage, I'm going to close the knife. At the end of the knife you have a spoon. On the fork I have a can opener. Over here is a bottle opener. There's a graduated wrench. On the end of the knife there's a flathead screwdriver. And now to put it all together, what I'm going to do is take the fork, put it in the center slot, line up the hub here and click. It's all put together. It comes with a nice nylon bag, keep the ChowPal nice and clean with a drawstring. And there it is, the ChowPal by Outdoor Edge.
Hi, I'm Jordan, and I wanted to tell you about Human Gear's new utensil line, the Go Bites. There's the Uno, Duo, and Trio. We made the Go Bites from a proprietary nylon material that's virtually unbreakable. While other utensils may not hold up, there's a reason we back the Go Bites with a lifetime warranty. The Uno's U shape is ergonomic, and we improved the fork and spoon ends. The spoon is deep enough for soup and designed to scrape up every last piece of food. The fork tines are long enough for pasta, and the tapered splitter tines easily cut up softer foods. The Duo has the same optimized fork and spoon ends and adds some neat tricks of its own. You can use the fork and spoon separately or connect them together for a tool that's even longer than most extra long utensils. So it's no sweat to reach into deep containers without getting sauce all over your hands. The Trio packs a full-size fork, spoon, and knife into an ultra-thin case. The tools feature the same optimized ends and they're accessible separately, just grab the one you want. The Trio's knife is sharp enough to cut chicken, and it even has a bottle opener. We think you'll like the toothpick too. So that's the Go Bites lineup. Super strong, ergonomic, smart, and backed 100% by our lifetime warranty. The Go Bites Uno, Duo, and Trio, the civilized tools for eating on the go, only from Human Gear.
Today at CRKT, we are taking a look at the Leon Ma designed Eaton tool. This is one of our very most popular products of all time, and with good reason. Basically, it is a glorified spork, a spork on steroids, if you will. You've got your spoon there, as well as your fork tines right there. You got a bottle opener that works very nicely. Right here we have a cutout for your hand so you can grip it nicely. And the thing about that is it's going to cut down on the weight significantly. This tool only weighs 1.5 ounces. So if you're looking for something for backpacking or just something light for your kit, for your car kit or camping, this is a great little tool. You've got a little flathead screwdriver there, kind of a chisel point on the end right there. And then you've got 3 metric wrenches. You've got a 10 millimeter, an 8 millimeter, and a 6 millimeter. Comes with a carabiner, so you can clip it to your backpack, clip it to your pants, your gear, that sort of thing. Now I love this tool. I have a black one myself. I take it camping all the time and highly enjoy it. It comes in black as well as your orange. I believe we call that tangerine is the official color name on that one. Fuchsia, which is to say pink, and we have a yellow one as well. The colorful ones have a little bit more high visibility, so you're less likely to lose it in camp. So keep that in mind when you're selecting your color. Anyway, it is a very cool tool designed by Leon Ma and available all over the place. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, be sure to visit our website. And thank you for buying, using, and eating off of CRKT tools. Thanks and have a great day.
Sea to Summit's titanium cutlery has an incredible strength to weight ratio, resulting in a product that will truly stand the test of time, no matter how many times you cram it into the bottom of an overfilled bag. Each piece is designed to be comfortable in your mouth with no sharp edges, while a handy carabiner keeps all the pieces together. The 3-piece set includes a knife, fork, spoon, and weighs in at 40 grams, while a spork is available separately and weighs in at a mere 20 grams. Durable, robust and lightweight, Sea to Summit's titanium cutlery redefines rugged, lightweight eating utensils.